In this video I'm going to show you how to remove table lines in Google Docs documents. So what we need to do is we need to draw a new table. For this we need to go to the option of Insert and then click on Table. Now we can set a table. As you can see, I have entered a table into my document. Now let's say we would like to remove these lines but still want to keep the table intact. So what we will do is we will go to here and then select all three of these cells. Now the next step is go to the little arrow beside of it and then we will select these. So we will select all lines. Now you have selected all lines and we can go to the border color over here and make them white. I will select the document and as you can see we are now missing a line over here. Because we want to have a line over here, we need to go back and select this again like we did before. Click on the arrow and then just press the single line on the left side, the left border. Select it and now you can change the color back to black as default. And now you have successfully removed table lines in a Google Doc document.